Waffles. What comes in your mind when you hear this word? Something sweet, right? So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to make crispy homemade Oreo waffles. These waffles are super easy to make. For this recipe, we are going to place Oreos inside the batter and bake the waffles until they are light brown in color. And for the plating, we are going to place a scoop of vanilla ice cream, some Nutella, walnuts, and of course, chopped Oreos. Hey guys, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and run your own successful business. Today we are making round waffles, but you can make them in different shapes and sizes. In today's tutorial, we are trying to achieve the perfect waffle texture that is crispy from the outside yet soft from the inside. Waffles can be served at any time of the day. So what are we waiting for? Let's start making our Oreo waffles. We'll start by preheating the waffle machine. Next, in a bowl, we'll save all the dry ingredients, that is all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour is my go-to flour for this recipe. It makes waffles light and crispy, but you can definitely substitute all-purpose flour with any grain flour like whole wheat flour or buckwheat flour, sugar, baking powder, and baking soda. And as I always say, don't forget to sieve the dry ingredients as it will help us in getting a smooth, lump-free batter. As we are making Oreo waffles, we'll add some powdered Oreos. Next, we'll mix melted butter and eggs together in a bowl. Butter will give us a very beautiful flavor, but to make it lighter, you can substitute melted butter with vegetable oil. Adding fat in forms of eggs and butter provides tenderness to our waffles. Next, we'll add this mixture to the dry ingredients with vanilla and give everything a good mix. Lastly, we'll add milk and make a smooth batter. For getting that Oreo crunch, we'll crush Oreo cookies and add them to the batter. Now for the baking part, we'll first grease our waffle maker with some butter with the help of a pastry brush. While doing this, make sure that you have greased both top and the bottom of the waffle maker. Now we'll pour some batter and bake it for 4 minutes or until it's crisp from outside. So as you can see, our waffle is nicely baked and it smells amazing in the kitchen. We'll gently scoop the waffle out of the machine. Now it's time for the plating. We'll first place a scoop of vanilla ice cream at the center of the waffle, followed by a heavy drizzling of some warm Nutella. Lastly, we'll sprinkle some chopped walnuts and Oreos. Here you go, our Oreo waffles are ready to serve. Hope you guys like this recipe, and do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new recipe.